This is video 10. We're into the landscape that is bereft of trees. So we're walking to a scheduled ancient monument. It's another cairn, and I have seen this from the distance, and this does look impressive. So as we're starting to get over there, I just realised the last videos have been done using my GoPro, so battery run out on that, which is a bit of a shame. But I'm using the iPhone now. This is KARL-JAMES LANGFORD archaeology covering. This is the Ronde class. As I'm clogging across here, this is one of those sites that I sort of told there's a name and there isn't a name for it, so I'm not really sure. One of the gang reckons this sort of landscape, sort of beyond, there's a bit of a water source over there. One of the gang reckons this is a natural lake overlooked by this monument here. This cairn refers to a stone monument, basically a tumulus made of stone within this rich landscape, and you can see it coming up. It's like one of those discoveries that you would find when you would be in the likes of Orkney. So we're sort of walking up to it now. At the foot of what again? At the foot of the Hill of the Night. So we're sort of going here, and you can actually see as it rises. I don't know if I can tilt the video. Oh, that is impressive. Very impressive. A bit like the Penreese ones, but a lot more impressive with a dip in the middle. It's absolutely really impressive. Hopefully this isn't going to run out. Oh, there you go. The collapsed chamber in the middle is perfectly clear. As we walk around once, we see it dropping about 1.5 meters in height, maybe 2. Very cold at this minute. This is KARL-JAMES LANGFORD Ronde class, and so we're looking there. Doesn't this look really impressive? Actually, it stands out with views across the landscape. It really does. You can see the water source in the distance. Okay, so anything you guys would like to say whilst we're here before the battery runs out? This is impressive, isn't it? This is really impressive as a monument, and obviously there'll be many more of these across the landscape at one stage, and it's well worth coming out here today. Yeah, it's not been sort of completely destroyed and robbed. It's really difficult to get what we're looking at, but this is circular. And what I'm going to say, this is the last video of today, and this is KARL-JAMES LANGFORD in the Ronde, and there we go. That gives you an idea of height. Absolutely excellent. Many of these sites haven't been archaeologically excavated, but they're scheduled and protected for a reason, so they're not damaged. So what I'm going to do, is that a nice spot to have our picnic, our flask? Alright then. Okay, Gareth's standing back. So again, what we're going to do, we're going to call this a day today. This is KARL-JAMES LANGFORD in the Ronde with the Morians, and thank you very much.